Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna break down a live trade I'm in on Audchf. The date today is the 6th of July, 2022. It's actually 12:40 a.m. in New York City. So all right, let's get into this. So in a downtrend on Audchf. It's a strong downtrend. Let's see here. Pull out this. Right, so we got this movement from all the way up there. Let's see. Hold on. How long we been in a downtrend? Well, actually, from damn, it's been a while. Okay, so yeah, we had this break off, push down from like let's see, what date is that? From the 15th of June, right? And we've been moving down ever since. So let's see. Let me throw on the weekly camarillas, right? So that's one of the indicators that I use is the camarilla pivots. And let's see what kind of setup we got here on the weekly. So there's different kind of time frames for the camarillas. There's daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So this is the weekly, which I have usually on my 1 hour chart. Excuse me, I have a cold, so bear with me. And so we're in a downtrend here, right? And let's see. When was this? So, right, so what date was this here? The 1st of July. We had like a kind of this is like a Papa Bear setup. So you see the session started here, and we open kind of below S4, which is this level right here. See, that's S4 right there. That was last week, I guess. And on this session here, which was again, that's the 30th of June, right? So on that day, we had like the Papa Bear setup, which is it pops back up, it opens below S4, pops back up and fails, right? So it didn't really push down that much. We got the pop up to S4, but it didn't push down that much. So right now today we have the what I call the Mama Bear strategy, or the Mama Bear setup, is where it's in a downtrend. And in this week's camarilla setup, it's pushing up now to R4, right? And usually it's supposed to stop around R4, R3, which we're getting here. We're getting that resistance at R4, right? And now we're getting a lower high right here, right? So my thesis is that we're gonna move back down to like S3 at least, right? But I think I'm gonna, if this trade works, I'm gonna hold it a little longer. So let me make this a little bigger and come into the daily camarilla pivots. So let's take this off here, and right. So this is the daily camarilla setup, right? So again, this is the Mama Bear strategy, but just on the daily time, daily pivot levels, right, for the camarillas. So now, same setup again. We're opening, we're getting that rejection at R4. Actually, no, I have to go down one time frame down. My bad. 1 second. Boom, let's do this. Go down to the 30-minute, right? That's when you get the daily camarillas. Right, so we have this this downtrend. We open and we're popping up. We hit R2, right? We didn't even get to R3, and I'm still catering with my stop here above R4 because we could get to R4, right? So I'm catering for that. That's my stop right there. This is my stop, right? And it's a Mama Bear strategy, but we're getting the rejection a little early. So we started rejecting here around R2, right? Now I jumped in here. Let me make this even bigger. And as you can see, this is a live account right here, Wanda Live. And let me just maximize the screen right here. All right, so my entry right here, actually, hold on, I think I could actually, sorry all, I'm doing this in mid recap, my bad. So let's see, right, so it shows the entry level right there at 0.6575 at 0.02 lots. And it's small size. This is a small account, and I'm just practicing right now, so not really going too crazy with the size, and we're risking, let's see, as you can see there, we're risking $15. That's my stop at 0.66482. And let's see, come back down here. Right, so I'm looking for a move back down to like S4 by the morning, and I actually have my stop. It's a swing trade, so I'm trying to hold on. Right, I'm trying to capture this move right here down to, actually I was trying to put that to 4. Right, let me put that right there. So 0.64003, right? So just above 6.4000. So trying to capture that whole move right there. Will it actually get to this level? Not really sure, but we could probably get a move at least probably to, I don't know, maybe like S5. And let's see how it works out, man, because I'm gonna leave this overnight. I'm gonna go to bed now, and I think I gave it enough room for it to work, because the stop is kind of wide, right? The stop loss is let's see, let's go back down here. Let me measure that out. Alright, so the stop loss is 72 pips, so hopefully we don't get this big push up during the night in the London session, and it comes and stops me out. So we had a little retracement here. I guess I kind of entered early because of this these wick rejections right here. I guess I kind of jumped the gun, and I took this short right here, so I was anticipating the breakdown of S1. Actually got the breakdown of S1 and entered the trade, but we did that pop back up, right? Seeing the wick rejections there again, so that's good. Alright, so we got that wick rejections right there, and we're moving back down. Now the volume though is kind of falling off on the move down, so yeah, let me cut that out. I need I need my arrows, man. Yeah, so on the way down, the volume is looking like it's moving down a little bit, so not too good. But my trend monitor is showing that we're changing from light blue right here, which is very bullish, and we're going into a kind of darker blue. But this depends on how you look at it. This might be light green to you or whatsoever, but so we're going into this darker blue right here. Let's call it aquamarine, what I mean? Yeah, this one is aquamarine. So yeah, so that change in color signifies that we're going more into the bullish, the bearish stage. And as you can see here, it transitions from this into a lighter purple, and then the dark purple is bullish. So hopefully overnight, well, right now it's looking like it's materialized, and it'll probably get down to S3, but who knows? It's Forex, anything could happen, And let's see how it works out. I'll give you all an update tomorrow morning as to if the trade worked out or not, or where we at, or if I'm taking profit, or whatever I decide to do. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.